Hello there. I'm Kyler, the CEO of Morphed. You're here because you're considering our website development services. Let me tell you, you're making a wise decision. In the digital age, a robust, dynamic, enabling online presence is essential. But it can be daunting. You need creativity, technical skill, and a marketing strategy behind it. That's where we come in. Our website development services provide an all-inclusive solution. For $50,000, we custom design, develop, and launch your site. But it doesn't end there. We work with you on the initial marketing launch. That includes the graphics, the ads, everything. We offer unlimited design revisions within the first year. We keep your website up to date with regular blog posts. Our 24/7 action response team handles any security issues. And we build out all necessary funnels for your future marketing campaigns. Remember, a website isn't just a digital address. It's the face of your brand, your round-the-clock salesman, your platform for growth. Let us build you a website that works for you and your company. If you're ready to get started or if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you for considering us as your web development partners. I hope to speak with you soon. Until then, take care.